This drift right here, stay on the right, but then once you get all the way to the far corner, big hard 90-degree right.
One of those at a time, all right? Those are expensive lures. So one of them's going to go to Jimmy Ulrey. Yep, Jimmy Ulrey. Go give it to him. Hook him up with that. He's going to love it. Oscar and Inez. Oscar. There's Oscar. You can give him the other nice lure. This is a real nice striper lure, Outlaw Lures. Jace T, you're next. Jace T. Jace? Yep. All right, Savage, you're up again. Savage, he's on fire. We got one other rod over here too, guys. Big fish winner for both days. Compliments of G-Rat Baits, Outlaw Lures, and both trophies and the check. All the lures all go with for Mr. Justin Dahl. Go check out our YouTube channel, subscribe and smash to the YouTube. We're doing videos as educational purpose, as well as you can check out our website. Tracy spends an extreme amount of time. Big shout out to our media and advertising social gal, Tracy. She kicks butt. And if there's anything you guys ever need, you can always subscribe to those channels and she'll direct you to any educational stuff. Some of the kids in our organization are even doing reports for school and stuff on some of the fishery stuff that are happened in our lifetime. So if you're over 40, you remember really good salmon fishing, and we're going to get it back.